I'm getting tired of this nonsense. I was looking through some videos I posted recently just to see how the videos were getting watched compared to each other, and I noticed that one of them has what appears to be a typographical error in the title. This one says, watching video I was mentioned in number 4K. There appears to be an extra K in the video. So I go here and I go, shut up. I go down to edit video and I come in here and I delete the K, and then I press tab to go into the next box, and then I pressed save and I went back out and I come back again and I says, wait a minute, it's the same way. What is going on here? So now I go back in again and I delete the K, and then I press tab to go into the next, to go into the box here, and apparently when you press tab it doesn't move the cursor anymore. So if I want to type number 4, I can't press tab to go into here. I have to now click out of here and then go back into here. And every time I click in here, it keeps doing this. The heck is this? I don't want this. I'm getting tired of this nonsense. They keep changing. They keep changing these, the way this thing works, and they take away basic functionality that was useful and replace it with garbage that's not useful and probably doesn't even work.